I received my first cap in 2006 for Wales in Argentina. Home from home, bizarrely, because it was in Patagonia. Got a few caps under my belt now. I think the younger you are, the less into the distance you look. A few years down the line, a few more caps, a bit more responsibility and children. You probably look further down the line, and I'm probably looking past my career now. But back then, it was never a goal to get to 50, 100, or any of those milestones. So to be able to have done that and try to do it at the best of my ability has been pretty special. I remember Caroline, the surrogate mum to the squad, sent the email through, and she said, "You've been nominated for an award." I was like, "What? Is it all of us or just me?" And she said, "Oh, just you." I was like, "Oh no." To be recognised is more than enough. I saw some of the other nominees that have achieved some great stuff in their chosen fields as well. So it's very flattering to be nominated, but like I say, I'm just fortunate to be a part of a very proud team that represents a very small but proud country.